I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generation Investors Podcast. And for those who are stopping by for the first time, I am Coach Flo. And can you say that we knocked it out the park? That's right. XRP did what we've been waiting for it to do. So shout out to XRP and all the holders. XRP Army, stand up. That's right. Give yourself a pat on the back because I want to talk to you today. The great news for XRP and crypto in general. The big three: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yes, XRP. So I'm not going to waste any other time. We're going to get to the news. And before you click off, of course, I got to share. Stay tuned to the end with the strategies, the motivation that you need to continue this marathon, because that's what this is. This is not a race. This is a marathon to financial freedom. So hit the thumbs up, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let's go. So the latest news on XRP, the SEC and Ripple ends appeal. After 5 years, that's right, 5 long years, the SEC and Ripple, the court case finally came to a resolution, closing the landmark crypto case as XRP. Let's go to the next level. It soared. It definitely went, and it's going to continue to go over time to the next level. So they settled the case, 125 mil. That's right, 125 mil settlement with Ripple, aka XRP, and the SEC. So they still got to pay their fines. SEC got to pay their part, and Ripple, XRP has to pay their part. But this is the catalyst that we need. That's what we've been waiting for, to get this hindrance, get this delay out the way. That's right. So this is what we need for things to fall in place. So that's one domino that's in place, which brings me to my next point. XRP ETF incoming. Could it be soon rather than later? We have yet to be seen, but I do believe the chances of the XRP ETF has only increased. Definitely, when you look at the percentages, it has gone up, because the case, that was one thing that was really kind of holding it back. So now, as we wait to see next month, October, I definitely keep you posted when this ETF hits the approval, because the green light is definitely on its way. I do believe that we are waiting for more adoption. We're waiting for a global landscape. We're waiting for cross-board payments. All these things are going to continue to increase, and definitely is looking to push XRP price to the next level. That's right. We're going to the moon, and we're not going to stop until we get there. That's the goal. And so moving on to the next one, talk about Ethereum. Quietly, Ethereum was just pulling back like a slingshot. It was just pulling back. It was dipping for us to just continue to keep buying on the dip, buying low. That's what we was doing. And Ethereum, for those who stayed the course, it rewarded you. That's right, rewarded you, because it blasts past the 4K mark. That's right. I said in previous episodes that Ethereum was going to go to 4K. Look where it's at now. So definitely, this is just the beginning for Ethereum and the altcoins, because altcoin season even haven't started. So you don't know what altcoin season is, definitely do your research and Google it. But to make a long story short, coins like these smaller coins that's not like Bitcoin. Bitcoin has the gold standard, okay? So Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Sui, of course XRP, all these are called altcoins. So when all the money that's in Bitcoin, people tend to trickle it down. It's in cycles, okay? And so we're getting closer to altcoin season, and Ethereum's gonna be the leader. That's why we're waiting for it to shoot to the next level, because once it shoot to the next level, that gives the green light to the other coins like the Sui's, like the Solanas, like XRP to push up as well. So all these cryptos it's a cycle. You gotta understand the cycle of crypto. So like I said, you have to do your research on crypto, because if you don't understand the cycle, you will be left with the bag and you'll be wondering what the heck happened, because you're not understanding how these things go. It's all cycles, but you have to have a strategy. That's the one that I'm going to leave before I leave you with, before you log off. Stay tuned for the strategy. So you got to have a strategy, of course, got to have a plan. But back to Ethereum, the interest rate is set to lower. Okay, that's looking to happen next month. Another thing that's a good catalyst for Ethereum is surge of crypto treasury companies. That's another thing that's pushing Ethereum. So you got the interest rate where things are so expensive. Everybody know that. And you got to look at what's going on around us, the tariffs and all that kind of stuff. And then you got the surge of crypto treasury companies. Okay, so this is a green light. This is the catalyst that's going to push Ethereum to the next level, to all-time highs. I should say past all-time highs. So I'm excited for Ethereum. And then let's get into Bitcoin and the wonderful world of Bitcoin. Trump opens the retirement accounts to crypto. Okay, so all these 401ks and alternative assets like real estate, he signed an executive order, and Bitcoin is the leading dog on this. Of course, Ethereum and other cryptos, but with him signing this executive order, this is going to help everyday people like you and I continue to get access to crypto, because you have some people that's maybe in their 50s and their 60s, their retirement age, and they want to get a little skin in the game. So this is going to open the door for them and get access to crypto. So this is definitely great news. I'm excited. I hope you are excited. For all my crypto lovers, definitely leave me a comment. Do you got some Bitcoin? Do you got some Ethereum? Do you got some XRP? What crypto do you got? Let me know in the chat. And we're going to get into the price action for these coins. The latest news, Bitcoin sitting at 116. That's right. And counting. So we took a little dip, okay, which pushed some of the money or some of the capital over into Ethereum. Ethereum is sitting at 4,014 at the time of this recording, and we still got some upside. Still got upside for Ethereum to go what? To the next level. That's right. And the one, the only XRP. Put it in the chat. Definitely sitting at $3.29. And we are waiting for this one in the short term to go to $4. That could happen within the next few weeks. Stay tuned. Definitely stay tuned, because Ethereum has some upside. They saying by the end of this year, this thing could be sitting at a nice juicy price of $10, okay, in the short term of this end of this year. But this has upside, and the analysts are really, really bullish like me. Hope you are too. And I'm going to leave with strategies. Definitely continue to do your research. Do your research. If you have stayed tuned to this part of the segment, do your research. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is financial education, and I'm big on it. And like I said, you are the CEO of your own portfolio. So don't do what I'm doing. Don't do what your friends doing. Don't do what the crypto guru is doing. Do what's best for you, because everybody's situation is different. And continue to study. Definitely continue to study. Gotta continue to study the charts. Gotta continue to study the prices. And also, my next point, profit take. Do not be ashamed. Like I said, you are the CEO of your own portfolio. So if you see a nice price, for all my traders out there, if you see a nice price that you like to take profit, take a little bit of profit. Okay, rinse and repeat. That's what I call it, rinse and repeat. And the last one, do not be greedy. Okay, definitely don't be greedy. That applies to everything in life. But when it comes to crypto, you cannot be too greedy because you will get stuck holding the bag, definitely wondering what happened because you want to play the gambling game. And crypto is not a gamble. Stocks is not a gamble. Do not, I repeat, do not open any loans. Do not put any of your bills, house note, car note, grocery bill. That is nothing. Don't do that. That is foolish. Do not be a fool. Be wise, be strategic, and you will come out winning in the end. So if you have enjoyed this episode, smash the thumbs up, hit the like, hit subscribe, because I got more XRP news coming just for you. See you in the next one.